Welcome to School Galaxy. I'm Abraham Tabat, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you the simplest method I found online to earn money very easily. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other amazing videos we create at School Galaxy. I'm going to show you completely behind the scene how this system works. So let's jump in and get started. The system I'm introducing to you is called Reegbit, and it's quite a cryptocurrency mining platform. But the good thing about this is you get to earn on shared community activities on the platform. If you sign up, you're getting like a $50 sign up fee. You can see right here, and each time you invite a friend, you get $1. That's how easy it works. So what I've been able to do is I've registered on Reegbit, and I've come over here to sub.be, and I've run ads, very cheap ads. Like you can use sub.be to run ads. Let's go to SimilarWeb. I'll show you the traffic these guys get in a month. And sub.be right here, you can see these guys are getting over 3.2 million web visitors every month. So if you're running ads with sub.be, you're sure you're going to be having your ads on targeted prospects. This is my Reegbit account. I just registered this particular account just now, and you can see the ads I ran on sub.be right here. You see I ran the ads with like I think $6 thereabout, and I've gotten 52 clicks. From the 52 clicks, that's where I got these registrations right here. I love automating my processes online so that I wouldn't have to be online to be working. I can be earning while I'm doing other things online. You get so I actually run adverts to sub.be. But if you have a large audience or friends, I tried posting this in on Facebook. They don't allow you to click the link, so it's a bad idea if you're going to use Facebook to share your links. I think it works with WhatsApp. I was able to share the link on WhatsApp. I've been able to automate my using sub.be advertising platform, and that has worked for me right away. It's very simple. Once you click the link, I'll drop the link below. Just click the link. Once you click the link, registration link, it brings you to this page, and once you come here, you can just put your country code right here. Put your country code. So if you're from wherever, you put your country code and you put your phone number, you put your password here, and you register very easily. Once you register on Reegbit, automatically they bring you to this page right here, where you would see your balance here. You see the $50 they have credited, the bonus, the $50 they have credited to you. You will see it right here, and you should see like $1 right here. So, and what you would want to do with the $50 they've given you is to reinvest the $50 so that you can consistently keep earning on the platform. So what you would do is you come to invest right there, and come to invest in share. The $50 they have given you, you can use this particular invest in share. Just click choose. Once you click choose, you'll be able to select the balance. Since you don't have any money in your wallet, you only have your balance of $50 they credited to you. You can use that to reinvest right here. So you just choose this, and they will take the $50 from your account, and you will start earning with this one. You can reinvest. You can extend your you can keep reinvesting the money you earn, and it keeps on piling, right? So that's one way. And the other way is as long as you keep inviting your friends, it keeps piling up cash for you. As you invite each friend you invite, like you see here, each friend you invite, you get $1 on each friend you invite, right? So my advert that is running here, I just ran an advert here. You can see this is the advert I ran. Let me just show you guys. This is the advert I ran here, earning on shared cryptocurrency mining, $50 sign-up bonus, and then $1 credited reward for an invited friend. So I'm running this advert now on sub.be. So this advert currently, you can see, is already generating some results. I've gotten 52 clicks, but I can see only like I think 10 people have registered with this platform for me. So this advert for me is going to consistently keep running and generating sign-ups for me. So if you have other platforms where you can market your link, and you get $1 on every friend, and you get $1 on every sign-up from that link. So it's very powerful. Besides the fact that you keep besides the fact you consistently keep generating more income from your the investments on their platform, your contributions, and also you participating on the network, you consistently keep earning on the network. So this is very easy. So I would advise you, if you want to automate this process, what you should do is, I'll drop a link to Solve.be. You would register on Solve.be, you install the extension. The extension alone earns you income. Like for instance, with the extension, I've installed the extension, so each time I install the extension, it also earns me cryptocurrency. So what you see here, the Solve.be website, they allow you click links. Like if I click this one and I watch for I think a couple of seconds, they allow me, and like you see right now, I'm just going to stay here. So and they use your browser, they use your PC, and they will show you ads. You watch the ads, you watch some videos, and they give you more funds to run adverts on the platform. So but I invested like $20 right here on Solve.be, which I've been using to run my ads. But you can see here, if I come down, if I come to user here, you see I've earned some money just from the adverts. You see all these adverts running on my PC. They will just it's going to run on the background on your PC, and it generates you some more funds that you can use to run ads on the platform. You can see this is the user interface, and this is the advertiser interface. You can just place your ad, my ads. You can just click here and place a new ad. Very easy. You can see they are charging you like 2 cents per click, right? So imagine 2 cents per click, and you're getting $1 each time somebody registers. So if you add it up, you're making profits. So that's how it works. Solve.be, I'll drop the links below. You can just click the links and get registered. Very easy to get started, and you will see that keeps consistently generating your passive income. My ads on Solve.be keeps generating me more cash. You see I have now $17 right here on my Reegbit account, and it's very easy, guys. If you need more information about Reegbit, you could check their frequently asked questions over here. You should get more information. So but when you have reached once you want to withdraw, very easy. They have very good withdrawal options. You can see here all the electronic wallets. You could send your money to Yandex, Perfect Money, Paye Money. You see, you can even send through your Bitcoin wallet right here, but you need a minimum of $50 to send your Bitcoin wallet right here. But with all this other account here with 0.2 with 2 cents, you can send out money. So it's very easy. You can actually send out money to any of these platforms, even with international payment systems. So irrespective of what country you reside in, this is a very simple platform where you could even start earning money from your first week on this platform. So and very easy, and hope this video was helpful. If you need any assistance, if you need any support, you can just send me a message, and I could help. So have a great time and keep crushing it.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Breed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.